Warning! After this video, you'll never make YouTube videos the same way again. Yo, hustlers! Welcome back to the AI Hustle, where we turn AI into profit. Today, we're dropping the ultimate 2025 YouTube automation blueprint. Think about this. What if you could pump out 10 high-quality videos in the time it takes to make one? No burnout. No creative blocks. Just more content, more views, and more revenue. I've built multiple automated YouTube channels that make money while I sleep. And in this guide, I'm handing you the exact AI tools, workflows, and secrets to do the same. Let's hack the algorithm, hit that like button, and let's automate. I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step system I use to automate my YouTube content. From AI-generated scripts to bulk uploading. By the end, you'll know how to cut your workload by 80% while posting more videos than ever. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why automation is essential in 2025. First, why should you even care about automation? Here's why 2025 is the year of AI-driven YouTube growth. Key reasons to automate. 1. The YouTube algorithm loves consistency. Posting 3x per week beats 1x per month. Automation helps you keep up. 2. AI tools are now studio quality. Just 2 years ago, AI voices sounded robotic. Now, tools like 11 Labs are indistinguishable from humans. Keycap 3 faceless channels are dominating. No camera? No problem. Channels using AI avatars and stock footage are hitting 100k subs in months. Keycap 4 time equals money. Why spend 10 hours editing when AI can do it in 30 minutes? Free up time for strategy and growth. Section 2. Step 1. AI script writing. Every great video starts with a great script, and AI can write one in seconds. Best AI scripting tools for 2025. ChatGPT-5, best for brainstorming and long-form scripts. Claude AI, more natural, conversational tone. Jasper AI, SEO-optimized scripts for higher rankings. Example. Automating a tech review script. Write a 1,500-word YouTube script comparing iPhone 16 versus Samsung Galaxy S25. Include 1. Key specs. 2. Camera test results. 3. Battery life comparison. 4. Humorous tone with memes. Pro tip. Always edit the AI script to add your unique voice. AI is a starting point, not the final product. Section 3. Step 2. AI voiceovers and digital avatars. Gone are the days of expensive mic setups. Let's turn that script into a professional voiceover, instantly. Top AI voice and avatar tools. 1. 11 Labs, most realistic AI voices, 100 plus accents. 2. HeyGen, AI avatars plus lip sync for faceless videos. 3. Synthesia, custom AI presenters for branded channels, cost breakdown. 11 Labs starts at $5 per month. Cheaper than hiring a voice actor. Watch out for. Some platforms require you to label AI content. Check YouTube's 2025 policies, Section 4. Step 3. Automated video editing. Editing is the biggest time suck for creators. Let's automate it completely. Best AI editing tools. Pictory, turns scripts into videos with auto B-roll. In video, template-based editing for quick workflows. Runway ML, AI-powered effects and green screen removal. Full workflow example. 1. Upload script plus AI voiceover to Pictory. 2. AI matches words with relevant stock footage automatically. 3. Add auto-generated captions and transitions. 4. Export a polished video in 10 minutes. Versus 5 hours manually. Section 5. Step 4. Bulk upload and scheduling. Now, let's mass upload videos so you're set for weeks. 2 methods. 1. TubeBuddy Bulk Uploader, drag and drop 50 plus videos at once. 2. YouTube API plus Google Sheets, for advanced users. Scheduling strategy. Space uploads 2-3 days apart for maximum algorithm traction. Prime posting times in 2025. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Section 6. Monetizing automated content. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's about making money while you sleep. Top monetization methods. Ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Affiliate marketing. AI can insert product links automatically. Sponsorships. Use AI tools like PitchGround to find brands. Boom! You now have a complete YouTube automation system for 2025. Imagine, no more writer's block, AI writes scripts. No more editing marathons, AI cuts videos. No more manual uploads, bulk scheduling. And just like that, you're ready to dominate YouTube automation in 2025. Here's your game plan. Keycap 1. Start small. Pick one tool today. I recommend ChatGPT plus Pictory for beginners. Keycap 2. Drop a comment. Which step are you trying first? Scripting? AI voices? Bulk uploads? Keycap 3. Subscribe. We drop weekly AI money-making tactics just like this. And hey, if you're serious about scaling with AI, smash that notification bell. Next week, I'm revealing how my faceless channel hit 100K subs using 100% automation.